What if you could taste the movies?
We turned that idea into an $11.3 million business with Wix. One movie night, we were craving this chocolate cake that we saw on screen.
And we said, how cool would it be to put on an event where people are able to eat what they see on screen?
For the first event, we're literally cooking like 80 cakes out of an oven in my apartment and running like up and down all night. It was wild.
Seeing how successful it was, that's when we realized that this is a real thing. Now we need a real platform to actually sell tickets on.
Our Wix website is the core of everything that is Fork and Film. It connects this huge community of movie and food lovers.
Our events are an immersive cinematic dining experience, and we wanted the website to capture that magic. When planning an event, I'm more focused on the creative. So I will watch the movie a bunch of times and plan the menu and the visuals of everything.
And I'm more on the operations side, so I deal with the contracts, finance, and expansion. Our last location that we opened was Portland. We started with 1 or 2 events just to test the waters. And when we saw a huge spike in traffic from the area, we realized this was something bigger. So we launched 2 full months of events, and I think they sold out in 2-3 days. I love analytics on Wix. It tells a big story about who we are as a company and who our customers are.
We literally built this business with our own 2 hands, and it's really cool to say that we are the owners, but also the website developers.